In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Battery Widget to the home screen. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, hold down your finger somewhere at blank space of your home screen until icons start shaking, and then right here hit add plus sign to open up widget selector. Then scroll down until you find batteries. And now here you can select between three different batteries widgets. I like that one, and all I have to do in order to add that widget to the home screen is just right here hit on add widget. Now that widget placed on my home screen, and I can hold down on them and move it around and place it wherever I want. Also here I can tap on minus sign to remove that widget from the home screen. Once I finished with that, all I have to do is right here just tap on done. I hope this video helped you out, so don't forget to like and subscribe.